విద్యార్థులందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈ వీడియో నందు గతంలో వచ్చినటువంటి 2016 సంవత్సరం పాలిసెట్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఏ విధంగా వచ్చింది, వాటిని ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయవచ్చో నేర్చుకుందాం. మరి ఈ విధంగా ప్రిపేర్ కావడం వల్ల మరి గతంలో వచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రతి చాప్టర్ నుంచి ఏ విధంగా అడుగుతున్నాడో ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. అలాగే అటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకవేళ వచ్చినట్లయితే అంటే మనకు ఆ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ రావడానికి కూడా అవకాశం ఉంది. మరి ఈ సంవత్సరం నుంచి IIIT బాసరకు కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ నిర్వహించడం జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి మరి పాలిసెట్ ర్యాంక్ ద్వారానే తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి మనకి మరి ఎగ్జామ్ యొక్క కాంపిటీషన్ కూడా పెరిగింది. అలాగే TSRJC కావచ్చు, మహాత్మా జ్యోతిరావు పూలే జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ సంబంధించిన ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ కావచ్చు, అలాగే APRJC ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నటువంటి విద్యార్థులకు కూడా కావచ్చు ఇది ఉపయుక్తం అవుతుందని చెప్పి ఇక్కడ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం జరిగింది వీడియోను. ముందుగా అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ద రిలేషన్ A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Here observe the questions. Here A times of B times C. Here B and C first of all multiply, after that multiply with A. Here A and B multiply with first and after that multiply with C. This one is called associative law. Associative law. Okay. What is the distributive law? Distributive law is A times of B plus or minus C equal to AB plus or minus AC. This one is the distributive law. Commutative law, A into B is equal to B into A. This one is the commutative law. Closure law, closure law is equal to A plus B or A minus B and A into B or A divided by B. Here A and B are real numbers. This one is also real numbers. That is closure property. Okay. So here first question answer is associative law. Next one, the HCF of 1.2 and 0.12. So here these two are the decimal numbers. How to find decimal numbers? First of all, each decimal number is converted into fraction form or P by Q form. 1.2 equal to 12 by 10 and 0.12 equal to 12 by 100. 12 by 100. Next one, find HCF. Fractions HCF is equal to numerators are find HCF of numerators, denominators LCM. LCM of denominators, HCF of numerators. Here observe 12 and 12. These are same. So HCF is equal to 12. LCM 10 and 100 LCM is 100. So therefore 12 by 100 equal to 0.12. This is the option 3 is the correct option. Option 3. Next one, third question. The value of log 243 to the base 3. Log 243 to the base 3. We know that 243 is prime factorization 3 power of 5. 3 power of 5. Or we know that 243 is equal to 81 into 3. We know that 81 equal to 3 power of 4 into 3 power of 1. That is equal to 3 power of 5. So write here log 3 power of 5 to the base 3. Here 5 is the exponent. Exponent is changed to coefficient. The formula is log A power of M. Apply this formula. M into log A. M into log A. So 5 times of log 3 to the base 3. So 5 times of 1. 5 1 is 5. So option 1 is the correct option. Option 1. Next question. 0.10, 110, 1110, 11110. This one is the irrational number. Irrational number because non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. This decimal is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Therefore, this one is the irrational number. Next, fifth question. If x is equal to log 3 to the base 2 and y equal to log 5 to the base 2, then log 15 to the base 2 equal to y. What? So, terms of x and y. So, we know that 15 equal to log 3 into 5 to the base 2. That is equal to log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. So, from the data log 3 is equal to x. So, x plus log 5 is equal to y to the base 2 equal to x plus y. So option 2 is the correct option. Okay. Next one. Here, sixth question, if A subset B and B subset C, then A intersection B union C. A intersection B union C. Here, A subset B, for example, A set element only 1, B set element 1 and 2, C set element 1 and 2 and 3. These are the examples. Okay. A intersection B value 1. Union 1, 2, 3. So therefore value is 1, 2, 3. So therefore C is the correct option. C is the correct option. This is method. Another method is A subset B and B subset C. Therefore A subset C. Okay. And that implies A subset C. Next one, A intersection B equal to A. When A subset B, A intersection B is equal to A. A union C is equal to C when A subset C. So therefore C is the correct answer. Next, seventh question. A is equal to x such that x belongs to n. X belongs to n means x is a natural number. 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. So write the roster form. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. So option 2 is the correct option. Next one, eighth question. X such that x is an even natural number and less than 12. Less than 12 means up to 10. So A is elements in the roster form, write roster form 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay. B is a prime number less than 12. So prime number 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So these are the prime numbers less than 12. This is the B set. Find A intersection B. So which is the common elements in these two sets? One and only one element 2. Okay. So 2 is the correct option. Option 4. Next one. The curve representing y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 cuts the x-axis at. So x square plus 4x plus 4. This one is the linear polynomial. Okay. So this zeros are 2 and 0. So minus 2 and 0, 2 and 0. So option 3 is the correct. So how to find x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0, x plus 2 whole square equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. So this curve is intersect to x-axis at only one point minus 2 comma 0. So third option is the correct option. So here observe the screen. This is my Android app from Google Store. Download Satvir Academy. In this Android app, fourth folder TS or AP Polyset, TS RJC set, AP RJC set, chapter wise videos, previous question papers, model question papers and tests and online tests also available in this app. Okay. So all students download and install my app. Similarly, another one is my website sathviracademy.com. In this website also chapter wise previous model question papers and video links, model tests also available in this website also. Okay. So next one, 10th question. Under root of x by y plus 2 plus y by x value equal to dash. So here root x by y plus 2 plus y by x. So middle one is multiply x by y and y by x. So this one is the option 3 is the correct option. So first of all this one is square and root. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So root of x by y plus y by x plus 2. So third option is the correct option. Next one, 11th one. Which of the following is a solution for the equation? Which of the following is a solution for the equation 2 times of x plus 3 equal to 18? 2 times of x plus 3 is equal to 18. Here 2 is multiply transpose to the right side. So that is x plus 3 is equal to 18 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja. So x plus 3 equal to 9. X plus substitute the 6. So 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Option A is the option 1 is the correct option. Okay na? Next one. If 3x plus 4y minus k equal to 0 and 6x plus 8y minus 4 equal to 0, these are the coincident lines, then the value of k. These two are the coincident lines. When the coincident lines, the condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So two lines are given, two linear equations are given, that lines are coincident lines. Condition is a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. So first one is 3 by 6, second one is 4 by 8, third one is minus k by minus 4. So 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, minus minus cancel. So k by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. 4 is transpose from left to right, multiply the 1. So k is equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja cancel, k value is 2. So option 4 is the correct option. Option 4. Okay students. Next question, 13th question. Observe the question. X minus 3 by x is equal to 2. This is the given equation. Roots, trial here, apply the trial error method. First one is 1 and 3 options. Substitute x value 1. So 1 minus 3 by 1, that is equal to 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. So wrong. First option is wrong. Second option, 3 substitute 3. 3 minus 3 by 3. So 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So 3 is correct answer. Next one, substitute minus 1. Minus 1 minus of 3 by minus 1. 1 minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2. So option 2 is the correct option. Okay. Next one. If one root of 3x square plus 2x plus 3k equal to 0 is the reciprocal of the other, then the value of k. We know that one root is reciprocal of another one. The x square coefficient is equal to constant. So k equal to 3 is the answer. K is equal to 3. Okay. Next one. If the roots of 2x square plus kx plus 3 is 0 are real and equal, then the value of k. When the roots are real and equal, the discriminant equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b value means k. X square, x coefficient k. K square equal to 4ac. 4 times of a value is 2. C value is 3. So k square equal to 4 2 is 8. 8 3 is 24. K equal to root of 24. So root of 24 value 4 times of 6. So plus or minus 2 root 6. Plus or minus 2 root 6. Option 1 is the correct option. Option 1. Okay. Next question. A ball is thrown vertically upward from the ground. The distance in t seconds. Distance is s in t seconds is given by s is equal to 4t square plus t minus 3. After how many seconds does the ball come to rest? After how many seconds does the ball come to rest? Here time is t, distance is s. So after how many seconds does the ball come to rest? In the rest, the s is equal to 0. S is equal to 0. So 4t square plus t minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Here substitute the value 4t square plus 4t minus 3t minus 3 equal to 0. These two 4t is the common, t plus 1, here minus 3 is the common, t plus 1 equal to 0. So 4t minus 3 equal to 0, one equation, t plus 1 equal to 0, t is equal to minus 1, here t is equal to 3 by 4. So t is equal to minus 1 is not possible, negative value. So t is equal to 3 by 4 seconds. So option 3 is the correct option. Next one, 17th question. The product of the roots of root 2x square minus 10x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We know that alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C by a means constant by divided by x square coefficient. Here constant is 5 root 2. X square coefficient is root 2. So these two are cancelled. 5 is the answer. So alpha into beta is equal to 5. Okay students. Next question. The 18th question. The discriminant of root of 2x square minus 5x minus 1 equal to 2. This is not a quadratic equation. First of all, change to quadratic equation. Here the square root is transposed from left to right. So x square minus 5x minus 1 equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. So x square minus 4x minus 1 plus 4 is right to left, transpose minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 5x minus 5 equal to 0. Find discriminant. So the formula is b square minus 4ac. B value is minus 5 square minus 4 into a value 1, c value minus 3. So 25 minus into minus plus 4 5 is 20. So 45 is the answer, option 4. Option 4 is the correct option. Okay students. Next one, 19th question. If twice the age of A is added to B's age, the sum is 45. And if twice the age of B is added to A, the sum is 30. Then the age of B. The twice of the age of A, twice, so 2 times of A is added to B. The sum is 45. Second one is twice the age of B, 2B added A is equal to 30. Okay. Here second equation multiply with 2. Second equation multiply with 2. So 2A plus 4B, that is equal to 60. Okay. Second equation is multiply with 2. 2A plus 4B equal to 60. So here minus minus minus, these two are cancelled. Plus B minus 4B minus 3B. 45 minus 60 minus 15. Both sides minus minus cancel. B is equal to 15 by 3. 3 5 is 15. Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, 5 years is the correct option. Next 20th question, observe here. 3 pens and 5 pencils together cost is 35. Here write 3 pens. So 3x and 5 pencils 5y equal to 35 rupees. Whereas 5 pens and 3 pencils, 5 pens, so 5x and 3 pencils 3y equal to 37. Okay. Next one, solve here. How to solve? Here same one. First equation multiply with 5. 15x plus 25y, that is equal to 175. Okay. Second one is multiply with 3. 3 5 is 15x. 3 3 is 9y. 3 37 is 1111. Okay. So minus 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 cancel. 16y equal to 64. Y equal to 4. Y equal to 4. Y means cost of pencil. Cost of pencil. So therefore 4 rupees is the correct answer. Okay students. Next question, 21st question. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 6? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 6? Observe here. The 2-digit numbers, first number is divisible by 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. The last number is 16 6 is 96. This one is also 2-digit number divisible by 6. So first number A1, second number A2, A3. 96 is the last number AN. We know that in the arithmetic progression, AN is equal to formula A plus N minus 1 into D. Here 96 is the last number, A is the first number, N minus 1 into the common difference is 6. Common difference is 6. So plus 12 is transposed from right to left, minus 12 to get 84. 84 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. 6 is multiply right side, transpose left side divide. Okay, both sides are divided by 6. 6 14 ja 84. Okay, so here cancel. N minus 1 is equal to 14. N is equal to 14 plus 1, 15. So the number of terms is 15 is the correct answer. This is the exam method. Another method is easy method. 12th term is 1, 18th term is 2. So 16 6 is 96. So up to 96, 16 terms. 6 is the first term. This one is removed. After 15 terms are 2-digit numbers. This is also one of the method. Next 22nd question. If the second term of AP is 4 and sixth term of A is 16, then its 11th term is. If the second term of AP is 4 and sixth term is 16, then its 11th term. So observe here, second term A plus D. Second term A plus D is equal to 4 and sixth term A plus 5D, that is equal to 16. That is equal to 16, sixth term. So minus 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 cancel. So minus 4D equal to minus 12. So both sides minus minus cancel. D is equal to 12 by 4. So D is equal to 3. So common difference is 3. Common difference is 3. Substitute here 3 value in the first equation. D plus 3. So A plus 3 equal to 4. That implies A equal to 1. First term is 1. So find the 10th term. 10th term means A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. First term 1. 9 times of 3. 9 3 is 27. 1 plus 27. That is equal to 28. 28. Okay. First term is 1. 9th. Sorry. Here 11th term. Find 11th term. 10D. 10D means 10 3 is 30. 30 plus 1 31. 31. Option 4 is the correct option. Option 4. Okay. This is the 22nd question answer. Next question. Which term of AP 24, 21, 18 dash is the first negative? First negative. So this one is also easy method. 24, 21, 18. This one is the third term. 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0 and minus 3. This is the first negative term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So option 1 is the correct option. Okay. 10th term is the negative term. This is the one method. Another method is let an is equal to last term is minus 1. This one is the first term a1. Common difference is minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. The first negative number is minus 1. Let minus 1. So minus 1 equal to a plus 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. Plus 24 is transposed to the left side, minus 25. Total minus 25 is equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. Okay. So minus 3n plus 3. Plus 3 is transposed left side, minus 25 minus 3. Total minus 28 is equal to minus 3n. Both sides minus minus cancel. N is equal to 28 by 3. So 9.3. So therefore more than 9th term is the next term is 10th term is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 2. Find S15. S15 means sum of first to 15 terms in the arithmetic progression. So 15 by 2, n by 2 into 2 into A, 2A plus n minus 1, 14 into D means 2. Okay. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus means 15 minus 1, 14 into D. So 15 by 2, 2 2 is 4 plus 28. 4 plus 28 equal to 32. 15 into 32 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja. 15 into 16, 210. So, sorry, 240. 240 is the answer. Option 3. Option 3 is the correct option. Okay. Next question. The points A 1, 7, B 4, 2, C minus 1, minus 1 and D minus 4, 4 are A 1, 7, B 4, 2, C minus 1, minus 1, D minus 4, 4. These are the collinear points, are form square, are vertices of rectangle, none of this. Which is the correct answer. So collinear points, when the collinear points, the slope is equal. The slope is equal. So check. 2 minus 7 minus 5, 4 minus 1 3. Next one minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So minus 5 minus 3 by 5. So these two are the slope is not collinear points. Next one vertices of square and vertices of rectangle. How to check? Four sides equal and diagonals equal, that is square. Four opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, that is a diagonals also equal, that is a rectangle. So check difference. Distance, first one is AB. AB value, so 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 square value 9. 2 minus 7, minus 5 square 25. So root 34 is the first one. Second one BC, 4 minus half minus 1 plus 5. So 25. 2 minus half minus 2 plus 1, 3. 25 plus 9, 34. Next one CD. So minus 4 minus 1. So minus half minus means 9. 4 plus 1, 25. This one is also root 34. Next one AC, AD. So minus 4 minus 1, minus 5. So minus 5 square value 25. And 4 minus 7, minus 3 square 9. So this one is also root 34. So all sides equal, and find diagonals. AC, first value AC. How to find AC? Root of 1 minus half minus 1 plus 1, 2 square 4. 7 minus half minus 8, 8 square 64. Root 68 is the answer. And BD, so root of 4 minus half minus 4, 8, 8 square 64. And 4 minus 2, 2, 2 square is 4, root 68. So diagonals are equal, that is a square, that is a square. Okay. Next one, 26th question. P divides the line joining A x1 y1, B x2 y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2, then P a point. So this is our direct formula method. So m1 into x2 plus m2 into y1 x1. So option 3 is the correct option. Okay, m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 by m1 plus m2. So option 3 is the correct option. Okay students. Next question, 27th question. The distance between the points a4 comma 3, b8 comma 6. Find the distance AB. AB is equal to root of x coordinates difference square plus y coordinates difference square. So 8 minus 4, so 4 square plus 6 minus 3, 3 square. So 4 square 16, 3 square 9. 16 minus 9, 20, 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 25 equal to 5. Option 1 is the correct option. Option 1. Next one, the points A1 comma 5, B2 comma 3, C minus 2 comma minus 1 are vertices of right angle triangle, vertices of an isosceles triangle, collinear points, non-collinear points. Check. Same. First of all, distance AB. AB value root of 2 minus 1, 1 square 1, 5 minus 3, 2 square 4. So root 5. Second one, 2 minus half minus 2. 2 plus 2, 4 square 16. 3 minus half minus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square 16. Root 32. This one, first one is root 5. Second one is root 32. Next one AC. AC value 1 minus half minus 2. 1 plus 2. 3 square 9. 5 minus half minus 5 plus 1. 6. 6 square 36. So root 45. Okay. So root 45. So observe here, right angle triangle, no, because any two squares 5 plus 32 not equal to 45. So first one is wrong. Second one isosceles triangle, so wrong. Next one collinear points. So slope is equal. Check here, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1. And second one minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 by minus 4 1. Here minus 2. So wrong. This is not equal. So therefore these are non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Next one, the midpoint of A 1 comma 5, B minus 2 comma minus 1 is midpoint. So midpoint formula, x coordinates, sum of x coordinates by 2, sum of y coordinates by 2. So 1 plus minus 2, 1 plus minus 2 by 2 1, and 5 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 plus minus 2, so minus 1 by 2. 5 plus minus 1, 4 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 and 2. Minus 1 by 2 and 2. So option 3 is the correct option. Okay. Last 13th question in this video. If a line makes an angle 45 degrees with the positive x-axis, then its slope. So slope is denoted by m. Angle is given. So tan 45 degrees. Tan theta, m is equal to tan theta is the formula when the angle is given. Slope formula, m is equal to tan theta, tan 45. So tan 45 equal to 1. M is equal to 1 is the answer. Option 4. Okay, students. In the next video, another 30 questions solve. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.